Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice Pro-Access tailgate, which allows you to have tons of space, obviously, but allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got a tough in spray bed liner. You got lights, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down. 120-volt outlet just right there. Got some nice measurements on your tailgate as well, and you can obviously allow it to go down, powered. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hands. All you have to do, lift it up with your knee, and it will go up automatically. We have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform gripped running board with trailer tow mirrors, spotlights, blind spot detection, and side view camera. We do have mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector with front park sensing. We have recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system, carpet interior with rear mats. We got cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and rear vents. You of course do get some arm space and cup holders right here as well, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which allows you to have more storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system, auto stop start, spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 49 kilometers. We do get a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the truck ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, wireless charger pads with some outlets, and it does close. You do get a nice interior work surface as well. You can put a laptop here or your food, totally up to you. And it does open the other way for your center console. We have rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here with a nice powered rear window opener. We also have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We have park assist, and we do get Blue Cruise in this vehicle, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got a 360 view of our vehicle as well, and you can change the camera positions. Pretty handy. Hazards and traction. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls just right here. Navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz, power tailgate, apps in general such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA97359, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.